Hello, all. Welcome to the YouTube channel on Learning Project Management Essentials Learning with SV. Today, we shall be talking about one of the key aspects of success of the project, which is also costing, also called project cost management. Before I get into the details of project cost management, I would like to share with you some good information. Owing to the popularity of this YouTube channel, Learning with SV, I have got exceedingly good demand and information on sharing the aspects of project management with the academic community of students and the elite learned professors and the academic instructors from the college and institutions of Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, and Telangana. Couple of emails and couple of telephone conversations have also been initiated. So we shall soon be starting another YouTube channel catering to the academic needs of the students of project management exclusively, in addition to helping candidates prepare for the aspects of success for the project management profession, project management professional in the coming sessions. Also, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel, as subscribing gives more encouragement for us to share more information and videos as we go down the line. Now, before I get into actual what is project cost management, we need to understand from the earlier discussions on the project life cycles, whichever we have discussed in videos 1, 2, 3, and 4. The project success constraint essentially is decided by three factors. One is the scope, the other is schedule, and the third one is cost. We have discussed in detail and elaboration about what is scope and schedule. Today we are going to talk about the key aspect of funding, which is cost. Now, what is cost? It is essentially the source of revenue for funding of the project. Projects essentially require a lot of funding. Not only projects, programs and portfolios also do require a lot of funding, but projects invariably require funding for their execution. And the resources of the project is what you call as an M3 or an M4 factor. The manpower, the machinery, and also the material. In addition to that, we also have something called as the funding, which is also called as money aspect. This is something which is to be considered when we are executing project, and whether it is big or small, it becomes imperative that we control unwanted expenditures and have a check on the kind of expenses, direct or indirect, when we are executing any project. The steps involved in project costing involve plan for the costs, estimate the costs, determine the budgets, and control the costs. In other words, monitor and control the costs. Now, in all these things, we need to understand from the concept of the iron constraint or the triple constraint, we have this scope, schedule, and cost. As the scope varies, the cost varies, and so does the schedule. Now, for adaptive tailoring guidelines, we've seen that the scope is invariably subject to variation, and the schedule is typically from 1, 2, 3, or a 4-week execution. Because it is a 1, 2, 3, or a 4-week execution, the cost gets fixed, and it is a set of scope features which we are actually executing when it comes to agile projects. Now, for plan driven projects, typically the scope is fixed, and over a period of time the schedule gets derived, and we understand that the changes, if any, tend to get discouraged, and there are any new changes that come into consideration, it is executed either as a new project or as a change request. This is for a plan driven initiative. In execution of projects from a cost based perspective, we need to understand that there are 4 or 5 key metric points with which we measure the success criteria. One is called as the scope variance, second is called as a schedule variance, third is called as the cost variance, and fourth is one of the key aspect of success criteria, which is called as the earned value, or in agile project terms we call it as the earned business value. Now, if you're talking about earned value, an extension of what we call as earned value comes into picture in latest trends of project management or program management. What is earned value? Earned value is essentially the realization of features or the value of the work which we have delivered to business customer. Now, the overall impetus or focus becomes on improving the earned value or the earned business value in having the work done in the maximum in a reduced timeline. And as much we see that the work tends to be done maximum to cater to customers' demands, and this has to be done in a short time span. This trend is what you call as earned schedule. If earned value is the worth of the work that we have delivered, earned schedule is the worth of the schedule which we have saved, and schedule saved is cost saved. After all, from project execution, time is money, schedule is money. So the features once again talk about the execution of projects from four of the standpoints: plan cost, estimate costs, determine budget, and controlling the costs. In the execution of projects, we tend to meet one component of fact which is called as the FLR or the funding limit reconciliation. What is this funding limit reconciliation? It is a maximum amount which a project tends to be apportioned to, beyond which the project should not demand money. There are trend baselines, there are trend features which the costing department or the finance department set into work and dedication to see how much of overall amount of money can be reconciled within the project execution. Now, after all this funding limit reconciliation is done, we tend to arrive at what is called as the cost baseline. The cost baseline is typically one of the strictures set by the management to say that the variation of costs can be within this specific range, beyond which it is to be completely disagreed. Now, overall performance of this cost baseline is what you call as the cost performance baseline, with which you tend to understand that the overall project has either met with an over cost run, on cost, or below cost, like how we have seen in scheduling: behind schedule, on schedule, and ahead of schedule. For you all the candidates to understand more about what we have spoken, please do look, share, like, and subscribe to the channel Learning with SV for you to understand more in detail. All the more, I would like to stress upon a point that more subscribers to this channel tends to add more encouragement from me as a facilitator perspective to share more light of information and to deliver more value. In other words, I am talking about enhancing the earned value to you all as my customers, by virtue of which you succeed, we succeed, all of us succeed, and the entire ecosystem meets success. Once again, I want to thank you all for having taken your time to see through this YouTube channel on Learning with SV. Today we have spoken about project cost management. I also insist that if you people have not been vaccinated, please get yourself vaccinated on turn. Stay home, stay safe, and let us hope for a good future as we go down the line. Thank you all. Have a great day ahead.